What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can export your leads and contacts within Smartlead as a CSV file. So with the current update, it is September 26th, 2025. This is what your lead database looks like. Every person that you've ever contacted on your Smartlead account appears in here. And the issue is the only thing you can do with these leads is you can select however many you want of them, and then all you can do is push them into an existing sequence. The issue is I want to play around with these leads outside of Smartlead. I want to go ahead and personalize them using ChatGPT, put them in Clay, whatever you want to do with them. The way that you do that is, firstly, you obviously need to select contacts that you want to export. You can set up filters over here, whatever campaign. It has every campaign you've ever made and did not delete. You can put in other filters here. I have people that did not reply back to me. So that's this list that you're looking at here. And the way to actually export these leads as a CSV is by taking them from this database right here. I'm going to wait for it to load, but I'm basically just going to select all. And then I'm going to push them over to a draft campaign that's not on. And once we push these over, we can then export them from the campaign. So let's go over to campaigns. It says leads are queued for processing and will be pushed shortly. So it might take a second, but let's go over to our campaign. Here it is here. I have this filter set up, campaign status, drafted. So this is just a draft I made, and I can still push those leads into this campaign. You click on it. We're going to go over to import leads, and here they are, right here. So these are the ones I just pushed through. And then once you're here, all you have to do is export CSV, full list, and it's downloaded.